The car is running poorly and the EML light is illuminated. We will change the spark plugs to see if we can fix this cheaply. Open the bonnet. My advice is to do this in warmer weather without any snow on the car, but it's winter and today is one of the warmer days. We'll start by removing the top cover by removing these two bolts. These are Torx screws and you will need a T30 bit. Remove the oil cap. Once the screws are out, you need to tilt the cover upwards, being careful not to damage the front part where they are hooked on. These are the coil packs we will be removing. Start at cylinder 1 and lift the clip to remove the electric connection. With that disconnected, gently pull up on the coil pack to remove it. There is some engine oil contamination here. A little is okay, but too much is not good. Next we remove the spark plug. These are the original mini spark plugs. They require a special 14mm 12-point, thin-walled spark plug socket to remove them. I will provide a link in the description where you can buy one. Loosen and remove the plug. This spark plug is heavily contaminated with engine oil. This is a bad sign, and indicates the problem on this car is more likely leaking valve stem seals or piston rings. The new plugs I am using are aftermarket iridium plugs and have a standard 16mm fitment. Drop the new plug into the cylinder. Tighten by hand. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Broken Fixed. The torque setting on these plugs are between 25 and 30 Newton meters. Torque up the plug until you hear the click. Now push the coil pack back in. Remember to fit this with the electrical connection facing towards you. Slide in the electrical connection and push down the top clip. Now we do the exact same thing on cylinder 2. This plug is also heavily contaminated with oil. Fit the new plug and torque just like before. Replace the coil pack. Do exactly the same procedure on cylinder 3 and 4. Cylinder 3 coil pack on this car is full of engine oil, and the end of it is loose, indicating it snapped inside, so I will replace this with a new one. Fit and torque the new plug as before. I'll provide a link in the description where to buy a new coil pack. Push the new one in, the same as the others. On cylinder 4, the coil pack is a little stiffer than the others. If you have this problem removing any of your coil packs, you can gently prise them out with a flathead screwdriver. This is what an old plug should look like. Zero oil contamination and general carbon deposits. Fit and torque up the last spark plug and refit the coil pack. Now we refit the top cover. Pay attention to the lower clips when sliding this on. Replace the oil cap. Replace the 2 Torx screws. Once these are fitted, the job is done. Hopefully your old spark plugs are not as contaminated as the ones on this car. Obviously this car needs further investigation. However, I hope this video shows how you can do this simple spark plug change yourself and save on garage expenses.